In this video, I'll show you how to implement a quick buy button for WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our demo site, and currently on this particular product page here, you can see we've got a add to cart button, and also we've got this quick buy button. Okay, so the customers can add this to their basket, or they can click the quick buy button, which will take them straight to the checkout page, bypassing the cart page. Okay, and if you wanted as well, you can completely replace the add to cart button, so there's just a quick buy button. Okay, so if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to AovUp.com. Go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin for WooCommerce by AovUp. I'll leave a link in the description below, and with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. So assuming you've downloaded the all-in-one checkout by AovUp, the next step is to go ahead and install that plugin. So we'll go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Navigate to activate your license key. Once you've done so, it'll automatically redirect you to this add-on section. And then from here, we can go ahead and enable the all-in-one checkout plugin. So I'll just scroll down here, and then I'll make sure I'll activate the all-in-one checkout plugin. In this particular scenario, I'm using the free version and the pro version. Okay, so we just need to make sure we got both active. For this video, you only need the free version, right? So with that being said, let's head over to AIO checkout for all-in-one checkout, and then we'll create our quick buy button. Okay, so where it says direct checkout, we want to click on this option here, and then we just want to make sure we enable our direct checkout. And as I mentioned in the intro, we can either have the quick buy button, or we can add the add to cart button with the quick buy button, which is what I've got in this particular scenario. So just choose the option which makes sense to you, and then we can go ahead and rename the buy now text, right? So in my case, I've just named this quick buy, and then we just hit save changes, and then we just need to go ahead and test this rule out to make sure it makes sense. Okay, so let's X this off, and then we'll just head over to our shop page. Okay, so we can see our quick buy button is displaying fine, so we can quickly purchase this particular product, or we can add it to cart. So we can just enter in our email and then just navigate through the checkout process. And that's a quick and simple way to implement a quick buy button on your WooCommerce store. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave it in the comment box below, or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.